Alright, lawn care pro tip number 742. Double down on your strength. My strength? I have the ability to dump stuff for free. That's what we call the 30-acre advantage. But whatever your strength is, I'd suggest use it. And whatever your competitor's weakness is, double down on that as well. It'll help. Freebie. Zip, zero, nada. By the way, it's November in Central Florida. Lawn care's still going pretty strong. What am I gonna do through the winter? Well, you could just cry. There's always that option. Or you can just go get it. Be a go-getter. Go get her, guys. Go get her. Yeehaw! Hey y'all, Paula Dean here. You gotta have some fun with it, guys. Loosen up a little bit, don't be so stiff. Alright guys, that's about all the excitement for now. Tune in next time.